And now it is a time to listen to all our important, eminent guests, and especially the visual impaired madam with visual impairment, Miss Purna Sundari is with us. She has recently passed through the IAS. And she is now, it's a great honor, she is now with us. And Purna Sundari madam hails from Madurai, and she is ranked 286 in the latest results. And she, in fact, passionate to take up children welfare. And we are expecting Madam to be appointed very soon in Tamil Nadu itself. And now I would request Madam Purna Sundari to address.
Yes, thank you. Good evening to one and all present here. It's a wonderful opportunity. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Professor Raghu sir. I wish you all a warm evening. And my dear children, how are you all? The performance so far, I listened to you. It was wonderful. You are all very much gifted. Really, I'm feeling it. And you have a lot more things in your life as a young one, as a very good responsible. You have a lot of duties. The last kid, one who said that I want to become an IAS officer. Really, I wish you all the best. Dear, you can do, as you said correctly, our determination. That brings a lot laurels and a lot more achievements to us. The thing is, we have to take a step with all our confidence and with such courage, and also with such like empowerment, which we have to bring in ourselves. Empowerment is not as a woman, as a differently abled person. It is in every way, in the sense, just to read in the way of reading, in the way of listening, and also in the way of writing. We have to bring our excellence, for which we have to do our groundwork with a lot of positive energy. My role model always, there are three great leaders. First, our former president, Sir, and former chief minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Kamraj sir, and Vivekananda ji. Do you know about them? What are the qualities they are having, and what are they had as their targets, their goals, and so far in what are the fields they have achieved? You know it better, I hope. Yes, children, this is the right time to bring those qualities within ourselves. In your school days, in your home, you have to practice the valuable things which you learn from your teachers, and also from the great leaders like the people, those who I mentioned about just now. Yes, you too have your own role model. The qualities which you like them more, no, will reflect in your self even. So for that, you have to be conscious about yourself, because I'm telling you, there was a performance by, I think, Miss Divya, a small kid. When I entered the hall, she was singing about us, about the role of father in our society, in the family. Yes, there is no other Divya like our Divya today, one who performed just now. There is individuality in everyone. Please believe in that individuality. The uniqueness which we are having now, it's uncomparable. No one is eligible to compare with anyone. The thing is, we have to learn from our own mistakes. At the same time, the experience of our other friends, great leaders' life, and also very much from our teachers. The talents which you are having, no, it's not just to entertain yourself alone. It's to give back something to our society. When I listen to your songs, your wonderful speech, I myself got such motivation and I was so much relaxed. I was enjoying all your like performance. So do those things more. I have secured 286th rank now in the exam conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. As you said, our child IAS aspirant from now, she said correctly that there are three services: IAS, IPS, and IFS. So in All India service, I'm going to be posted in soon. And October 8th, I'm going for my foundation course, my interview to Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. I'm going there. So I'm doing this since 2016. 2016 was my first attempt to UPSC. That time I didn't clear my preliminary. Later, I didn't give up. I concentrated. I prepared for the other exams like Staff Selection Commission, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, and also for banking even. One among them, that is Regional Rural Bank. Now it is Tamil Nadu Grama Bank. Earlier it was Pandian Grama Bank. Now I'm working as a clerk here in Madurai Palanganitham branch. So whatever may be the opportunity, it is coming to us to make ourselves better and also make our society better. As Sir said correctly, my three core area which I really want to concentrate in my service are education, health, and women empowerment. You might think I miss out differently abled person. I'm telling you, differently abled person are equal or more than equal to any other person in the world, because when education, health, and women empowerment are there in our society, the society's transformation, it's really high. We could sense it when we are making the change, while we are enjoying, while we are taking out all the opportunities because of that society's transformation even. Earlier it was very difficult for the girl to complete her school education even. Just to complete her 10th standard at 12th standard, it was very much difficult for her to complete her school education. But nowadays, they are moving towards at least for a degree and the graduation, they are moving out. Most of the women, because of the marriage or for some other condition, they really want to put self in their family alone. They are very much scared to cross the border. But nowadays it's being increased to that our women are getting employed, higher education in the research field. Yes, of course, our differently abled kids and the young ones are more capable of bringing the changes in our society. Yes, I would wish that it is not enough that differently abled students and the young ones to get their education qualification alone. It is the responsibility of our government and the policy makers to bring out the utilization of the talents, particular talents our differently abled persons are having. So with those talents, the transformation for our society should be done, for which we are needing, we just need a research center. Even our social welfare minister said me that once the results being announced, she called me and she wished me. That time she shared that we are going to get a research center in Tirumangalam, Madurai. The GO has to be passed, it seems. So she shared the information with such happiness. That's the thing we are need now, and the government is taking the step correctly at the right time. The responsibility of ours is to take it correctly, utilize it much. My friends, my children, I'm telling you, create your own opportunities. Okay, whatever opportunity is there, you will utilize it. And there are sometimes you need to put all your efforts to create your own opportunity, for which you have to be conscious, you have to be like determined and also targeted. So yes, we can do lot more things to our society together. When we are doing, it will give such a wonderful result also. So yes, of course, I wish you all the best. Do well, whatever things, whatever steps which I can take as an officer, I will do it definitely with all your support and wishes. Thank you, one and all, for listening to me, and thanks a lot for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot for the wonderful and motivational speech, actually. So, a person like you know, coming here today and, sharing your struggles and sharing your hard work that did in the past couple of years in terms of getting into this UPSC examination is such a wonderful motivation for all our children, as well as our, there are young people also in this meeting. So it's really an inspiring moment for all of us to have you here, and about also we also wish you a wonderful career ahead, because like you are going to attend the interview. So we wish you all the very best for your future endeavor. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.